It's at home.
No, I have a cleaner.
Refusing to tidy up in the 21st century is a bold act of feminism.
So recently we got a cat tower for our 2 cats, and they don't bother using it. But the pigeon! New favorite spot for him.